Hello everyone, welcome back to Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I'm making a delicious Lebanese Fattoush salad. I'm going to show you a fun way to serve it in an edible pita bread bowls. So here I have a pita bread. I'm placing it in a round ring mold. You can use even a bowl. Gently press in it and fold the edges to create a bowl shape. Now I'm taking some extra virgin olive oil and drizzle it generously all over pita bread. Make sure you coat the bottom and all the sides. This is what gives us the beautiful golden crunch. Next, sprinkle a good amount of za'atar. Be generous. Now sprinkle sumac powder on the pita bread. Bake at 180 degrees until golden brown and crispy. Now let's make the classic fattoush dressing. In a bowl, I am adding extra virgin olive oil. Next, juice of fresh lemon. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and salt to taste. About half a teaspoon should do. A good crack of black pepper. Fresh ground is always best for maximum flavor. And here comes the star ingredient, sumac powder. Next, I am adding a splash of pomegranate molasses. Now whisk everything together until it's well combined. Look at the gorgeous color. In a large bowl, I am adding freshly chopped lettuce. Next goes in sliced cucumber for a refreshing crunch. Next, add colorful diced bell peppers. Some shredded purple cabbage. This adds a great crunch. Add 1 cup finely chopped or sliced onions. Cherry tomatoes halved and sliced radish. This adds sweetness and peppery kick. Next, add spring onion greens. Now for the herbs, plenty of fresh parsley and fresh mint. Don't be shy with the herbs. And for the beautiful sweet tart burst, I am adding fresh pomegranate seeds. Pour over the delicious dressing we made earlier. Give everything a gentle toss with your hands. Make sure every leaf is coated with that beautiful dressing. Look at those colors. Now for the fun part. Fill those crispy pita bowls we baked earlier. Pile the salad high. Don't be modest. Garnish with more pomegranate seeds. Top it with crispy fried pita breads. This is what it makes authentic and gives the amazing crunch in every bite. And there you have it, my beautiful fattoush salad served in a crispy edible pita bowls. Fresh, colorful and absolutely delicious. Perfect as a starter. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Until next time, happy cooking.